Hi Libras, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Guys, this is the reading for the month of April 2021 situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship, and yeah, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you wish to enroll for one-on-one tarot reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay guys, so let's see. Mhm. What is your situation, Libras? Okay, so you feel that there is some karmas related to the past life, or which is happening into your life. Past life people are and have entered into your life. Karmic things, karmic relationships. Letting go, you are letting go of certain past people. Okay, like if even if you had a relationship in this lifetime with the past people, your ex or something, you're letting go of certain things, certain emotions, certain pain. Okay, yes, there's a dream happening. Okay, so yeah, a lot of dreams you are getting nowadays. Okay, it's like those dreams are very let's say those dreams are very important, but at the same time it's like universe is giving you a message or a guidance. Okay, you have certain guilts related to a situation, okay, or a people. Okay, there's a new vision happening into your life. You want to start something new, you are thinking of starting something new. Okay, it's like that, which is very good, Libras. I am reshuffling. Okay, so yeah, you have a very playful energy, Libras, in the month of April. You'll be very joyful. You feel sometimes very lonely related to situations. Okay, you spend very miserly, like you don't spend nicely. You are very conjuice, you are very miser in spending your money. Your heart chakra is healing, which is very good. You're understanding the a lot of realization about yourself or about your people. Okay, you are healing yourself related to a situation, which is very good. Okay, that's awesome, guys. Let's check it out with a new deck. Okay, okay, okay. So there is some issues going on, Libras, into your marriage life. Okay, or into a long-term commitment. Okay, some up and down, and that creates a disappointment into your life. Okay, that's the thing. Either it's a relationship or either it's a long-term marriage commitment, and you are having issues into that, like it's not going on the way you want right now. Okay, there is a certain wish which is not coming true. It will not come true in the month of April, it will come true in the next 9 months. Okay, there is certain wish related to career or your finances. Okay, in the past you are waiting for recovery of money. Now you are not waiting for any recovery of money, which is very good. Okay, like it's like not waiting at all. Okay, you are into your own dominant energy. Okay, that's the thing. You are into your own dominant energy, which is very good. You are into your own power, Libras. You feel stuck into a situation, you want to let go of the things and move forward. Okay, and in the April you will try to, but you are still stuck into a situation currently. That's the thing. Okay, like you haven't moved on, or you're trying to move on, something like that. There's a heart to heart communication needed in your married life or into your relationship. To whomsoever you are dealing with, there's a heart to heart communication is needed, okay, with your person, with your partner. Okay, yeah, you feel that there is a wish fulfillment which has been blocked because there is no action can be taken right now. It's not about your problem, it's about the universal thing. Okay, so the blockage is from the universe side, not your side. Okay, there's a imbalance going on into your financial life right now. Okay, yeah, within next 6 to 7 months it will improve for sure. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so there's a new beginning happening into a situation. Okay, you are going to take a risk related to something. Okay, either a new business, new job, new opportunity, new life, new relationship, new person. Okay, so there's some risk you are going to take for sure. You want that, this pain, this ending. You want to let go of the past. You want to enter with the new energy, so that thing is not coming to an end. Okay, you want to end the pain, emotional pain issues, okay, into your life. If you're feeling stuck into a situation and in letting go of the things and moving on, that thing is not happening right now in the month of April. It is taking time. Okay, that's the thing, Libras. Yeah, a major shakeup might happen into your life in the month of April related to a situation. Okay, soon, not in the month of April, but very soon in the upcoming weeks. There's a one new opportunity is coming towards you after 1 month, not April, but in May or June, a new opportunity related to money will come. Grab that opportunity because that will help you to balance your financial life. Okay, it's like that. Yes, you feel very stuck because of a masculine person who is dealing into your life. Okay, like you feel weak into a situation because of that dominant energy, and it might be possible that you want to reach to a very good position in your business or into your career life, which is not happening, and you feel weak related to a situation. Okay, it can either be one, you want happily ever after into a situation with your partner. Okay, and I think few of the Libras, I would suggest you, the past might enter into your life, or past might try to come back into your life. Okay, with an offer of love. Okay, like past person might come or try to come into your life. Okay, so yeah, there's a wish fulfillment which is being blocked, which will take time within next 9 months. I think there is a wish fulfillment which will come true. Okay, okay, so there I'm just going to share with you the universal messages from the universe. Okay, wow. Okay, so here are the three cards. The first message from the universe is, I'm the dreamer of your dream. Whatever dreams you have, it will come true for sure. Okay, the second is, I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Wow. The third message is, attack, pain, fear, judgment, and any form of separation are merely calls for help. Wow. Attack, fear, pain, judgment, and any form of separation are merely calls for help. That means that few of the Virgos are into separation, and that's why no communication or less communication is happening between your partner, and issues are going on into your married life or into your relationship. Okay, so yeah, that might also be the case, one of the case into this reading. Okay, kindly like, share and subscribe, guys. Okay, let's check it out what Angel Guardians wants to tell you, want to share with you. Okay. Okay, the first message is mercy. You are merciful. Okay, remember that in the month of April, introspection. I claim time and space for myself. Okay, sometimes if you want to get answers in your life, you need to question yourself, and you need free time and space. Like, you people should not be around, you just need some me time, alone time. Okay, so introspect your own questions and get the answers through meditation. The third one is, I'm eternally optimistic. You are very hopeful, very optimistic. The fourth is, I am ready for all the opportunities. This is beautiful. So opportunities will be coming to you in the month of April, okay? And you might take a risk or think about taking a risk. And you are very hopeful with the situation, Libras. So I hope you like this reading. Kindly comment down below for how many people this resonated with, okay? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care.